Hey gang, just want to review this quick video. I was given this to review, just kind of unbox. So let's get into this and see what we got inside here. First of all, this box is really cool, nice orange design. And let me just take this out here. First, this is the main component inside here. Move that to the side. Then let's just take this out. Well, it certainly was designed well. There we are. Here's the back of this. Here's a USB, an on and off button, and then TF. And so yeah, this is the display, and inside, so this looks like an alarm clock or something, and it's supposed to be kind of like a spy camera or just a nanny cam or whatever you want to call it. If you want to know what's going on, when you're not there. This also has the ability to connect into your phone, so you can actually see. So this can connect into Wi-Fi. I just took this little piece off. You don't need that. Obviously, that's going to. And here's your cameras over here, and this is a set button. It also comes with this. This is nice. A lot of times I get all these electronics now, and it does not, and the cord comes short. So this actually has a fairly lengthy cord, so I need to plug this in, get this set up. Wow, that's a really nice long cord. And here is the plug. So let me get this charged up, and let me show you kind of a few things on my phone, kind of how you can connect into this thing.
The first step is to download the Tuya Smart app. You want to download that using the QR code. When you open up the Tuya Smart app, you want to add a device. You want to add a camera 2.5, and this is what it shows up when you set it up. That is a really nice video. Even you can listen to the sound I'm talking on here. You may hear me, but this device is easy to use. It looks just like a regular alarm clock, but you can set the time. There's a button on the top that allows you to set the time, so you have the correct time on there, so people don't suspect that. Just hit the set button, press and hold that, and then you hit the other button, and that actually changes from 12 to 24 hours. It has an micro SD card, so you can add storage, the on-off button, and the reset button can be useful as well, and the USB to recharge it, or you could just keep it charged in there. But this is a motion sensor, so if people walk past here, it turns on the camera. Even at night, you can see what's going on at night. And so overall, this is a really good device. The app could be a little bit easier to use, but I think it can be very useful. And certainly, when we're away, we can know what's going on. So I highly recommend this. I hope this video was helpful for you.